All right. So, okay, so we might not have been completely wrong, but let's say, BTC usually, or any trade usually hovers around zero point 0.5 fib and zero point 0.6. So, zero point 0.6 is here, this is zero point 0.6, point 0.6, and this is 0.5. 0.5. Right now, it's hovering around that area, and there is a possibility of pullback. There are three possibilities, I would say. It goes to, it crosses 0.7, 0.6, and stays above that. That will be really bullish, and it can keep climbing. That usually does not happen, but let's see what happens. So if it goes and stays above zero point 0.6, then it's a bullish case scenario. And if it stays between here and keep forming, let's say right now it is forming 1 hour bearish divergence around that area, and that's a pullback sign that it might pull back. There are three 1 hour bearish divergence, so that's a significant bearish divergence that may push BTC lower. And where it can go, if we see from a fib, which is from down, since this is a first breakout, this might go to exact bottom. There are 2 3 different scenarios here. Either it can go to it can pump, it can start pumping back from 0 0.3, which is at 61,294. So if it these three elements you have to remember, zero point 0.5 is 0.3 to 0.5 is completely normal. It can go there and reverse back from there. But if it goes below 0.5 to 0.6, then it might try to reach out 0.7. And if it stays there, hovers around a bit, and then creates a bullish divergence, then you can think of it going back above, uh, reversing back to bullish scenario. But right now it looks like if it does not cross over 63 500, then it might have a pullback around 61 200, or 61 200 pullback, and then going up is very bullish. And if it comes to 65.46, then a little less bullish. And if it comes to 59,892, then less and less bullish. So major support, I would say, is at 57,900, and major resistance is at 63,400, and in between is 65.46. So you might see this happening in between, and then price may really move on. So if you're thinking of shorting right now, it is right time to short, uh, keeping your stop loss above zero point 0.6, which is 63,725, and you can take profit around between these two areas, 61,224 or 65,640. Okay. And there is a lot of confluence. If you see 1 hour, it has formed multiple bearish divergence. That's a sign that it might revisit 61 or around 60 area. Okay. So I don't believe in sniper entries, but let's go into lower time frame, and let's figure out where could be sniper entries. So right now, it broke down from here, which is at 62,998. So, and this is where a lot of confluence is 63,112. So you might have a short entry at 63,112, and then it may go down more, more below. All right. So let's see from daily perspective. There's no daily bullish divergence yet. It looks like there is, but it has not formed on 5 pivot yet, so it's not valid yet because this may have a chance to go further down. And on right now we are still at the key level. Key level has still not broken. As I had mentioned earlier, 57 is the key level. It has not broken yet. So this looks good in terms of macro bullish, not completely bearish. So this might feel like, bottoming pattern. So it feels like, BTC is finally bottoming, unless it crosses below 54 390. If you think of major bearish pattern, then it might go ahead and touch around 42 to 35. That is where the most of the major support, I would say, is here. But it feels like it is forming a bullish divergence on weekly as well. If it keeps happening here for let's say next 2 weeks, then it has a really a chance to get completely bullish and go back to 100K. uh, there might be another case. It may create a wick on weekly, but the RSI stays above, then that's still a bullish scenario, and 1K stays in the 100K stays in the picture. So overall, market looks like it's bottoming right now at major support around 54 to 57, and macro to micro, it looks really good. There is a lot of chance to go up, but you might have to look around for 42K as well on major macro level.